Hi guys, I am Andrea. Welcome back to my channel, Fall for the Smell. Today I have my second BB by Beauteque Monthly Beauty Box, and this is my Korean skincare box that I receive monthly. It hasn't been too long since I posted the first video because I had ordered after all the shipments had gone out. But I just received this yesterday. It came pretty quickly. It was actually supposed to arrive tomorrow and it was already here. So I was happy with the shipping on that. So they send 5 mid-size to full-size beauty products and then some extras every month. It's always a surprise. You don't get to pick what you get or kind of do a preference like some of the other boxes like FabFitFun or like Boxy Luxe. But I'm really enjoying it. I enjoyed the first one. So looks like the theme of this box is Pores No More. They also have a service called Mask Maven, and you can get, I think, 7 to 9 masks. So if you are a mask girl like me, that might be a good one. I will be trying this one out at least one more month. I committed to 3 months, just my own personal goal to try it and see what I ended up with. I already see a brand that I love, and that is Tony Moly. So they show everything that you get in your box. It looks like there is 6 items this time. So I will go through the box with you. Looks like one of the items fell, but otherwise they have it in this really cute, the packaging is really cute here in the pink and white box. Pink is my favorite color. And it says, keep calm and love your skin. So let's tear it open here. And then everything is beautifully placed inside. This looks like what fell out is a little facial brush. And this kind of reminds me a little bit of, I have a silicone thing like this, but I haven't had one quite this size, so this is exciting to try. Let's open it up here. It says, made of silicone material, massage the skin, cleaning out dirt and cuticle effectively on face. Simple and convenient. So it's not the type that's going to give like a buzz when you're doing it. It's more of the ones, I'm seeing these more and more everywhere. I have, like I said, I have one similar. It's not quite this big. But it kind of has different sizes of the silicone, and then I assume that you just kind of rub it in. I do have a Dermalogica. I think that's the brand that I have. It's a little one that's kind of oval, but this is really cute. So, and the baby blue is nice because everything else I have is pretty much pink. So that is the facial brush that comes in this month's box. And then second item, and this is a hefty one. This is called All Kill Blackhead Toner, and it says it has 0 crossed out, and it looks like the brand is Ray, and everything's in Korean typically, but they do have little sections in English, which is really nice. And it says how to use after washing, pour on a cotton pad and wipe skin softly. Typically when I use a toner, and I really have a pretty good toner regimen in this past year or so. I used to absolutely hate toner. I had the really harsh alcohol, Mary Kay, 3 to 4 steps when I was in high school and college, and I did it religiously, but hated it because it burned my sensitive skin and my dry skin. So this one is a good size. It appears to be, let's see if it has ounces. It says 250 milliliters on it. And it also says the toner that controls blackheads and sebum inside your pores and also tightens your pores that are widened and loosened. So that is definitely a full-size product. So facial brush so far, and then the blackhead toner. I don't struggle with blackheads except for right here within my nose, and then I have some whiteheads and milia, and I have been to the dermatologist recently and working on those. But this is Tony Moly. Tony Moly is available at Ulta, and I have purchased several products from them. This is a tightening cooling pack, and it says 4 pore and it's egg pore. It says the enhanced ice corset pore pack tightens open and loose pores seamlessly with a cooling effect that covers the pores. So it really is all about pores in this box. And let's see. I do not struggle with oily skin as some of you do, but I'm on the other spectrum with extremely dry skin. But this is kind of cool. And the thing about Tony Moly is their packaging is kind of edgy and cute typically. So let's see if I can open this here. So really this is just extra to make it egg-like, but they have cats and pandas and octopus. So this is a really thick consistency, if you can see that there. It does have fragrance, so we'll see how that reacts on my skin. But I do like the packaging. It looks like it's gonna stand up really well. It reminds me of the little lip balms. But it looks like the directions say apply an appropriate amount and spread onto loose pores. After 10 to 15 minutes, when pack is completely dry, wash off with lukewarm water. So I am going to give that a try, probably this weekend. All right, so that is pretty cool. Next item looks full size as well. And this is the Vachi Charcoal Daily Purifying Foam Cleansing. It says deep and soft and rich, long-lasting hydration, contains charcoal extracts and natural extracts. I've done a lot of charcoal masks. I've used charcoal toothpaste, but I don't know that I've used a charcoal cleanser. So this one is, of course, a good size. It's 3.38 fluid ounces. See, it's all sealed up, so I'm not going to show it to you. I do assume that it's black, just like most charcoal products that are on the market. So I'll be trying that one out. And there's a little kind of sample here. It's Cosmedine Skin Revolution Lupeol Nose Pack. And I think that this is in the same category as those Biore pore strips. So I think this is just one little nose packet that comes with it. So that would be considered a sample size rather than a full size. And then final product in our box is a Pore Master Satin Primer. I do use primers. I used one today, and then I just have dry, flaky skin right now. I'm taking a prescription that my dermatologist had given me, and it's a compound. So it is a combination of 3 different things. And I'd have to have it in front of me to read it to you guys. I'll talk about it in another video. But it's really drying out my skin. I've never used a prescription on my face before, and it had been my very first appointment with a dermatologist, believe it or not. So it is really peeling off layers of skin, resulting in a lot of dryness, and I'm really fighting against it, being February in Kansas City. And yesterday, the Kansas City Chiefs, our football team, we won the Super Bowl Sunday, and the whole town, all the schools closed, so my kids were out, and we went to the parade. It was 27 and chilly and a little bit of wind, and it just wrecked my face. So I have been literally at work today patting in skincare. But this satin primer, hopefully it is hydrating for me. It is a relatively small size. But for me, like I said, I don't really need a primer most of the time. But if it's hydrating and I know that it's going to help soak in and kind of make my makeup look a little better, especially when I can get a tiny bit oily and sweaty in the summer, or right now when I'm super dry, then I'm all for it. So, and I really like that it's kind of a mix of everything. There's a mask, there's a cleansing brush, there's a toner. They threw a little nose strip in there, and we've also got a cleanser. So that's one thing I really like about this box. I've done BoxyCharm and Allure Beauty Box and Ipsy and those different things, and you'll end up getting 5 very similar things, or 2 mascaras, it seems like. And so I kind of like the variety of this box and how they all kind of have a different purpose, but they're all kind of working together for that goal. And for this one, it is to help out those pores. So that is my Beauteque Monthly Korean Beauty Box for February. I hope you guys enjoyed going through it with me. I will link their website below in case you're interested in getting your own box. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.